Hello. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. Good afternoon everybody. And we are live. Hello po sa inyo lahat. It's me, David. And I'm live here at... Saan ba tayo ngayon? Doon po tayo sa Musashi Kosugi. It's a really nice neighborhood in this Musashi Kosugi. It's actually my break time. And alam niyo naman po, pag break time, I'm doing my daily lives. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo itong side na to. It's a really nice neighborhood bago ako magdaldal. Ito po. So nice. That's actually our school over there. Ito po nyo ang isang magandang area. This is all residential area dito sa Musashi Kosugi. You can see the kids, they are playing. And you can see the people over here. So napakaganda po. Napakagandang neighborhood po. So good afternoon po. It's me again, David, and we are doing our daily lives. The intention po of this live is for me to give out my experiences or give out mga learnings po in my pursuit and my journey of becoming successful. Successful entrepreneur. Ito po yung mga topics na napili ko that will help the business move forward and that will help me achieve the goals in the personal development and in my pursuit of being a successful entrepreneur. So, ang intention po nito is to help people na nanonood po like you na sana makatulong po ako in your goals sa buhay. Kung ano man po ang goal na gusto niyo pong gawin. If you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to be better, samahan niyo po ako. So, let's go straight away. So, one topic po natin for today, we are talking about self-reflection. Yung this whole week po kasi, it's all focused about growth, kung ano ba yung mga kailangan natin gawin in order for us to grow as a person. Like right now, self-reflection, it's really important. Ano ba ang self-reflection sa Tagalog? Ang sinearch ko po siya sa Google, ang self-reflection po in Tagalog is, nakakatawa yung word is pagmumuni-muni. Pagmumuni-muni or pagsusuri sa sarili. Diba? It's really important to do this, especially sa mga taong may goals at sa mga taong gustong may marating sa buhay. Bakit po ba importante ito? Kasi it's really important kasi ang self-reflection po, nalalaman po natin yung ating mga improvement, nalalaman po natin yung ating pagkakamali, nalalaman natin yung growth natin. Kasi mas lalo po nating iniintindi kung ano ba yung umandar at kung ano ba yung hindi umaandar. So it's really important. I can give you 5 benefits why self-reflection is really important. So the first benefit is, number 1, benefit of self-reflection is you will be able to track your growth. Matatrack nyo po kung ano po yung improvement nyo. You are going to track the things na you are going to measure your progress. Like for example, me, if I'm going to compare myself from day 1 na nag-start po akong gawin ito, napakalaki na po ng pinagkaiba ng aking sarili. I have noticed that I've grown confidence. I have noticed that I've improved in the way of my speaking. I'm not perfect. Wala pong perfect dito. It's just about measuring the growth and improvement na nangyari sa inyong sarili. Yun po ang pinaka-importante. First benefit po yun. Let's go to the second benefit. Second benefit po ng self-reflection is you are going to learn from your mistakes. Malalaman niyo po kasi once po, when you are in the journey of self-reflection, once nalalaman niyo yung mga bagay, kung ano ba yung umandar, once nalalaman niyo kung ano yung bagay kung saan kayo nagkamali, nakakatulong po ito. Dahil may iwasan niyo po siya mangyari ulit. You can avoid those things again from happening by the help of self-reflection. Like I've said in my so many lives that the journey of becoming successful and the journey of personal growth, you will encounter a lot of challenges. You will encounter a lot of mistakes. And during my self-reflection, I have understood that being wrong and having mistake is part of being successful. So that's the most important thing na maganda. It's really nice for you to do self-reflection so that you will learn from your mistakes. So that's the second benefit. Let's go to the third benefit. Third benefit is you are going to adjust your strategy. Like me, I'm like I said, I'm an aspiring entrepreneur. So in the process of self-reflection, I am evaluating the strategies that I'm doing. Like for example, me, I'm doing advertisement. So I'm evaluating if the advertisement that I do is working. If the advertisement that yung mga bagay na ginawa ko in marketing is working. So it's really nice that for you to be able to know all your strategies and to be able to take a step back and see, umaandar ba to? Or baka kailangan ko na siyang palitin. O baka kailangan kong i-tweak to, or I need to like change this. So those are the things that is really important. And number 4, this is one of the most important thing na nagbe-benefit sa akin is you will boost self-awareness. When I say boost self-awareness, mas lalo ko pong naiintindihan ang aking sarili, mas lalo ko pong naiintindihan ang ugali ko. Kasi po, meron po tayong mga tendency minsan hindi natin maintindihan talaga kung bakit ba tayo nagagalit. Minsan hindi natin maintindihan kung bakit ba tayo naiinggit. Minsan hindi natin naiintindihan kung bakit ganun yung ating nararamdaman. Excuse me po. Ang kagandahan po sa self-reflection is mas lalo nyo pong maiintindihan. You are going to understand yourself better while you are having those emotions. You are going to be aware. You will start questioning yourself. Like, bakit ba ako nagagalit when this happened? Bakit ba ako nai-stress pag ganito yung nangyayari sa akin? Bakit ba ako naiirita pag nakakakita ako ng tao ng ganito? So napakaganda po ng benefit ng inyong makukuha in self-awareness if you are doing self-evaluation. Okay? So let's go to the fifth one. Fifth one is, ito po parati kong nakikitang benefits when I'm doing it is I am stay focused on my goals. Sa tuwing nag-iisip po ako kung ano yung mga mali na ginawa ko, kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan kong i-improve, kung ano yung mga kailangan kong palitan, ang nakakatulong rin po yun in me realizing that my goals are really close there. Yung goals nyo is achievable. Kasi once you have known kung saan po kayo nagkamali, once you have realized the things that you have made mistake, you can adjust and you are going closer to your goals. Nakakatulong po to na para magkaroon po kayo ng direction kung tama ba yung direction na papuntahan nyo. Na kung bang papatungo po ba tayo papalapit sa yung goal or papalayo po ba tayo sa ating mga pangarap sa buhay. So yun po, that is the 5 benefits that you can have if you are doing self-reflection or pagsusuri sa sarili or pagmumuni-muni sa Tagalog. So let's just do a quick recap bago po ako magpaalam. So first one is, what are the benefits na makukuha natin if we are doing self-reflection? Number 1 is you will track growth. Malalaman nyo kung saan po kayo nag-improve since day 1 comparing to the day now. That's number 1. Very important, track growth. Number 2, you are going to learn from your mistake. Malalaman nyo po yung mga bagay kung saan kayo nagkamali at kung ano po yung mga dapat yung palitan para po hindi na po siya maulit-ulit. Okay? Number 3, magkakaroon po kayo ng adjustment on your strategies. The strategies na yung mga ginagawa mo, kung tama pa ba to, kung effective pa ba to or hindi. If you are doing self-reflection, mas lalo nyong maiintindihan yung mga umaandar sa hindi. Okay? And the fourth one is boost self-awareness. Ito po yung pinakagusto kong benefits na nagagawa ng self-awareness. Mas lalo ko pong naiintindihan ang aking sarili kasi I'm in a journey of becoming better and I'm in a journey of understanding my emotions better. So that's the one greatest benefit na nakukuha ko sa self-awareness. And the last one is you are going to be focused on your goals. Okay? Having self-awareness is really beneficial to know if you are going to the path of your goal or napapalayo na ba tayo sa ating mga goals or hindi. So yun po, that is my reflection and that is my life for today. I hope that I added value to your afternoon. Salamat po sa mga taong nanonood. Salamat po sa mga taong makakanood nito. At salamat po sa mga taong nakanood ng video na ito. Again, ang intention po nitong video na ito ay hindi po ako nagmamagaling dito. I am just sharing my ideas. I am just sharing my experiences in the hopes of matulungan ng mga taong tulad nyo. Okay, so that is my daily life for today, and before I go, one quick look po in Busasig-Usigi. It's a really nice area. Walking around, that is, ang layo na po ng nalakad ko, nandun na po. Ang sarap maglakad kasi, lalong-lalo na the weather in Japan today is really nice. It's really cool weather. Pasensya na po, ako po yung inuubo. So yun po. Again, I will say goodbye and I will see you guys again for my next live, which is tomorrow. Thank you very much po. Have a good afternoon. Thank you. Bye. Peace.